It's the time for the package from China. Let's go! We are going to talk about the super game SN-200. This is not a 60-bit, this is a 32-bit OS system. And what makes this Super Nintendo clone mini classic so special? We have HDMI out, so that is special. We even have TF card, and it supports game download. Or yes, we can add new games. I'm very curious, what are we going to get? So let's unpack it and let's see what's inside the box. Alright, let's do a little bit of an overview what comes with this system. Let's talk about the charger. Just a basic micro USB charger, nothing special. Wow. Alright, we have a piece of toilet paper manual, very basic. It's just a very freaking basic manual we're going to get with these clone systems. We're having two controllers. We'll take a closer look at it later. Ooh, very long cable! HDMI cable. And the game TF cards. Super Famicom. Alright. Interesting. It comes with an SD card. And let's take a close look at the system itself. Yeah. Right, let's take a close look at the system itself. We're having here a power button, reset. At the top we are finding the two connectors for the controllers. A little bit weird because they have chosen the old connector like the Sega Mega Drive and Atari. LED for power, so you can see it's turned on. And here we have the micro USB CF card slots and the HDMI outputs. Which very light. Let's take a close look at the controllers. I must say they look pretty nice. Got a nice touch to it. Even the buttons. Feels good. Nice click like the original controllers. No decals at the back. Alright. Let's try them out. This seller gave me this extra CF card. And I'm guessing this one contains his Super Famicom games. Alright, we're going to find out. Let's stick it in and let's see what happens. But before we are going to enter the extra CF slot card, powering on, this happens. We're getting the 12 games that was mentioned on the box. We have some games, not a big collection. Alright. So taking it apart is pretty damn easy. We're going to remove the little feet and then going to screw out the little screws, and let's open up and let's see what's inside. Alright, I already removed two of them. Oh man, they're sticky. They're very sticky. Come on. Alright, number 3. Let's go for number 4. Let's see. Wow, tiny screws inside. open? Yes, I have it now. Alright, let's zoom in. Alright, I think this is more like a custom PCB board. What you can see here, we have the date that is produced. I can already tell you I bought it in 2018, but it was more around the 10th month. So this PCB board, it's, I wouldn't say it's unique. I think they use it for other systems. So, but yeah, as you can see here, the ribbon cables, it's all very cheaply made. And here we have the switch for the reset button. Alright, let's take a close look at the main board. So if you take a close look at the main board, there's nothing to see actually. There is a chip here, so I think normally you have a little cooling pad on it because there is still something on it. Alright, from this side we cannot see what kind of chip, or yeah, if you have an idea about this main board, please let me know. I noticed here a type for the main board. It seems to be this is version 2, but I already removed the screws and I noticed something that is pretty damn weird. But here's the part where it's getting freaking weird, because if you look at this code, it's exactly the same, or the first few digits are the same, but this one says version 3.1. And also got a date, and it seems to be this one is produced, let's say in the 9th month of 2018. So that's a little bit weird, don't you think, that we have two numbers on it. So this was the little teardown of this 32-bit, let's say, super game SN-200. I just wanted to show you what's inside. I did some searching for information, but I couldn't find much. And the residue that was on the chip, I couldn't remove it in any way. But it's a little bit weird with the more, let's say, the double factory numbers. But this is what we're going to get, people. The super game SN-200 isn't 32-bit. Yeah, 32-bit. You're right. So this 60-bit system, it's not, let's say it's not perfect. There are a lot of problems with it when it comes to emulation. I'm not the biggest fan of it, and nothing beats the real deal. The controllers are freaking awful. You cannot even use original controllers.